Greetings, and welcome back to Jamaican Patwa 101 here at the Hillman Tuck University. And today I will be teaching you, my lovely class, three more ways of how you say I love you in Jamaican Patwa. So let's get right to it. All right, the first way that we are going to learn how to say I love you in Jamaican Patwa is this. Now listen closely. Me heart a beat for your babes. Hear that? Me heart a beat for your babes. When you say this, make sure you say it with that love and that passion that you really feel for the one that you love. So I'm going to say it again. My heart a beat for your babes. My heart a beat for your babes. Good job. Now let's move on to the second one now. This one may seem a little bit more dramatic, but we can be sometimes as a people. Me a dead for your babes. Hear that? Me a dead for you babes. Say it with me one more time. Me a dead for your babes. This one you use when you know that that person you really love, you cannot live without them. Now, this next one, the third one, is something that you will hear Jamaicans use quite frequently. It's one of my favorites. You know, so me check for you, you know, be me check for you. Hear that? I want you to repeat it with me. You know, so me check for you, you know, babes. Me check for your babes. Me check for your babes. Good job, good job. Yeah, I catch it. And here is a bonus one. Here is a bonus one for all my lovers out there. Me I forget you. Hear that? Me I forget you. If a Jamaican tells you this, just know they are going to pursue you to the ends of the earth. Me I forget you. And all three of these mean I love you in Jamaican Patwa. Okay? I love you in Jamaican Patwa. And as always, my good people, please make sure you like, share, comment, follow. You make sure that you save it and repost it. And what did I say? Practice make what? Confidence, moms. Confidence. Eh? See you in the next class.